Hello, my name is Jamal Stokes, and I am a health service administrator for Archer Hospital located in Norfolk, Virginia. Today, I will be discussing military transitioning to civilian life and also helpful resources that are available to veterans such as myself seeking employment in today's society that relates to their military experience and training. Some of the available toolkits and or resources that I use in order to get prepared for my transition after service were the Virginia Transition Assistance Program, otherwise known as TAP. The Virginia portion of TAP is a one-day in-person course called Virginia Benefits and Services. This organization is led by Virginia Benefits Advisors, as the course helps you understand how to navigate Virginia and the benefits and services you earn through your military career. The course offers interactive exercises, real life examples, and covers topics important to you like family support, disability compensation, education, and healthcare benefits. I also took into consideration with the Iraq and Afghanistan Veterans of America. This organization was founded in 2004 when it was realized that there was a large gap between what was actually happening on the ground in Iraq and what was happening in the public's perception. National Association of American Veterans, otherwise known as NAVV, was established in 2005 to help those veterans who are wounded, disabled, or single parents. This organization really inspired me to become who I am today. Veterans Support Organization, otherwise known as VSO, is an organization that began in the year 2001 with its home in Rhode Island. The organization's inception was in response to the growing problem that many veterans were starving, homeless, or without skills needed to hold a job. The resources I found at that location specifically were resources that helped aim to my goals and accomplishments as of today. AMVETS, also known as the American Veterans Organization, has over 250,000 members and a broad range of services and programs. The organization has a network of National Service Officers, otherwise known as NSOs, who are available at no cost for veterans. This slide talks about transitional videos, as in this part of the section of the presentation. I found very impactful and inspiring videos for my military transitioning. The videos listed are some that really helped pave the way for my success as they led me to take a toll on my life. Types of jobs you can possibly apply for. Being that I have started my career in the Army after graduating college and becoming a second lieutenant in the Medical Service Corps, it has allowed me to be exposed to medical terminology and medical practices throughout my career, such as if I were a civilian, where if I decided to work in a nearby clinic or hospital facility. For instance, if one is a nurse in the military, then it will be easily accessible for them to become a nurse in their civilian life after their military career, which is what I have done using the resourceful toolkits, allowing me to do what I did in the Army in my civilian life now, which is the health service administrator. With that being said, the jobs for transitioning to civilian life or military life in the medical field are relatively the same, with the exceptions of physical jobs only a soldier can maintain, such as a combat nurse and or medic. Behavioral health specialist, otherwise known as the behavioral health specialist for the organization, is primarily responsible for assisting with the management and treatment of inpatient and outpatient mental activities. This is also something that you can maintain and develop your skills when you are a licensed practitioner for the United States of America. Also, biomedical equipment specialist um, is primarily responsible for servicing and maintaining all medical equipment. Cardiovascular specialist um, with the management of cardiac clinics and performs specialized invasive and non-invasive cardiac tests and examination team is a team of individuals that get together and work cohesively in a unit. My skills and also my talents in my military career has led me to become who I am today. Actions you can start now to prepare. Some actions you can start now to prepare would be to create federal resumes, research transition assistance programs, and collaborate with healthcare sites before time of service is completed. And individuals should work towards developing federal resumes as they can help if a person does plan on taking job opportunities with the federal government after their military career. TAP was created to give employment and training information to armed forces members within 180 days of separation of retirement. TAP offers a 3-day workshop that all ex military job seekers should use. The workshop covers the following topics. And this is all I have for my presentation. I hope you all have a great day. And again, if you want to ask me any questions or reach out to me, my email is jamalstokes4@gmail.com or jstoke005@odu.edu. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day.